Hi guys, welcome to Hardcore Day Trading. This is the live room and mentoring package, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So I'm going to really take you through what we do. The broker that we use is IG, and the charting software we use is Pro Realtime, which is free and comes attached with IG if you want to use it. However, if you're an MT4, MT5 user or any other type of user outside of IG, it all works as well. The tools that I'm going to give you free, the AI tools, are all for Pro Realtime and for IG. So all the free tools, if you're not going to use IG and Pro Realtime, you won't be able to use those. So bear with me on that one. I'll take you through what the package is all about. In other words, take you through our community and the bit of a learning center I've put together to help you get orientated. If you're going to use IG and Pro Realtime, you need some help, then give me a shout. Very, very happy to help you set it all up and get you going, get you orientated, and get you ready for trading live. So without further ado, I'll go and share a screen, and I will, if I can find it here, there we go. This is a Hardcore Live Room Trader resources. There's a getting started here, which you'll see this PDF. This is what you clicked on anyway to listen to me talking to you now. This is the IG platform and the settings for connecting to Pro Realtime, should you wish to do it. We do a bit of crypto trading, and in here I talk a little bit about some of the things that we invest in and we trade. And if you will quickly open one, so it'll be a little Tether paper there that tells you all about Tether, what it's all about. Human, that's a crypto project that we're involved in at the moment. General trading techniques. Well, they've got some little bit of content here, show you how to use alarms and Fibonacci's, how to use screeners and lists so you can screen anything in the market. A live resistance training here, all about support resistance trading, some of the strength meters and tools that we use to help our decision making. And then there's a little training video here, all about exponential moving averages and how you can help guide your trading entries using that. So let's get back out. So that's here. We've got a terminology folder. Does what it says, and the can gives you all sorts of information on terminology, how to set up your morning screen only if you're using PRT, and EMAs to decision making. So that's a nice video there that helps you with your EMA decision making. If you are, doesn't matter, it's agnostic, it doesn't have to be IG on that one. Finding pivot and ATI information. Average true range is very, very important when you're learning to trade, to put your stops and entries in. And this is a little package that tells you how to find your ATR, a little PDF that explains it all, and a spreadsheet there that lets you look at and store the data. I'll show you where that is in the live room in a moment. Next, risk management, very, very important. Stop and reverse techniques, the number one reason why traders fail. Interesting read there. That is from IG. That's from 100,000 live accounts and 30 million closed trades. Absolute data on why people fail. So really interesting to watch. A risk calculator to make sure you get your state correctly. And risk management, all about your bank and making sure you never blow your bank account up with using that process. Further down, we've got using alerts, help you use alerts and triggers all in IG and in PRT. Fibonacci, little session on Fibonacci tools, how to use them, and live sessions doing those as well, all recorded. FX introduction, and I'm a firm believer on teaching people how to take money out of the market, not tell them a life story. So we've got a book actually condensed in 13 pages, tells you how to, tells you and blows the myth on why FX is a 24-hour market, because it clearly isn't. It runs 24 hours a day through half a dozen different servers which switch on and switch off. So it's important that you know them. There are correct trading timeframes and introduction to FX markets as well. and mastering emotions, all about psychology and how to manage your emotions in trading in the room. Pro real time, if you're going to use pro real time, how to change all the information that's displayed in pro real time to configure it. But again, if you're going to use pro real time, I can help you with that. How to install bots, robots, all the AI bots that we get. And with this package, there's a number of tools that you get, which is end of day cash pivots, how to install them, the monthly and weekly pivots. They automatically identify all the holes in the market, so you don't have to. Fibonacci pivot points as well. There's algorithms that tell you all the fibs on the FX markets, again, so you don't have to start doing them yourself. And then screeners. These are our AI bots that look for market pullbacks on the 1 hour, 4 hour, overbought and oversold on the daily and weekly. These are a sample of some of the robots that we use. We use about 56 different types that go away and search the market, but you're in the live room and not in the VIP area, so there is a little selection of what you can actually use there. So making lists, forgot about this one. This is just about developing and honing down the things that you want to trade and put them into a list, and we can put that into the algorithm, and the market will just constantly search all those things that you want to trade. It might be indices, it might be commodities, it could be shares, it could be anything, depending what your list is all about. So that's pro real time. And then if you are going to use pro real time, then we've got the complete manual here, how to use it, how to do all your pro back testing, how to build robots yourself, how to build screeners. And that's a live room package. And there's about 8 gigabytes of data there for you to have a look at. A few bits of learning, but you've not signed up for learning packages, you've signed up for trading. But I always like to add a little bit in there to help. The VIP, of course, it's got all these different sections in all the strategies. Everything's recorded every single day for the past, 4 years, every single day that we trade, all in there, all in there. So everything is recorded there on the VIP, but you're on the day trader, so that's absolutely fine. Community. So this is our community where we talk about how many sessions we're going to do every week, and the Zoom link, we use Zoom to get in there, and it just goes through every week what we're going to do, exactly what time we're going to do it, and it's all recorded. I mentioned before about ATRs. I publish these every day, so it allows you, before the market opens, all the hidden pivot points, classic pivots and Camarilla pivots in the market, calculates all the average true range for you, so that's good as well. There's live invites. This is a discussion forum where people talk about what they're doing, etc. And they all have a little chat there. Crypto rooms tells you, so kind of there's a paper on Tether that we wrote. We have on this, oh yes, I forgot about this, live trading ideas. So things that I'll put in the room if no one's on. So we've got a trade going on here, which is a gold trade. We call it the gold swinger, and that's an algo bot already running. And that was today, this morning, and then something else on which one's this one? This is right. This is the informing people to move your stop, etc. I guess you call this a signal room, and then eventually the gold actually won something relevant today. So we were doing a trade here, going for a stop above the swing low, informing people to move their stop down, and we're going for just over a 2% target here, just letting people know how to manage the risk. And the next follow-on one was making sure that we've got a bit of soft area here where the market may reverse. There's some words there telling people what to do. And then the market obviously hit full target. We then re-entered for the next target, and we're looking for, again, another 2.5% on cable coming down. So although we do live trading, you will get signals throughout the day as well, as you can see here, with signals on US 500 going long on the 17th. We posted the signal, and it was going for a 3.6% target. That's at 144 and hit full target 3 hours later for a full win. And these are just the signals we put in, day out, letting you know what to do. The little gear wheels, all our algorithms all working, ripping money out of the market, and just tell you how to actually get in, where to get in manually, and where to get out. So that one obviously was another winner. That trade, and there's the end result of the market coming down, nice BBO. So that was the stop. There was the entry, a winner, another winner, and another winner there in the DAX. So these are the signals. If you don't get in the live room, you get the signal anywhere. So this is the community. These are the signals. This is the invite room. This is the crypto room. You can talk to anyone freely on the site. So hopefully that was useful. Stop share, and I think the best thing to do, if you would like me to do it with you, is as soon as you've downloaded the relevant information, got yourself set up, give me a shout, give me an email, and we'll have a one-to-one, and we'll orientate you a little bit better, and then you can get going, and hopefully you'll be a successful trader, earning a good bunch of rupees like we do every single day. Hope that was helpful, and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.